In the year 1908, on a quiet dirt road in rural America, a lone black Ford Model T rumbles into view. Its engine echoes across the fields, symbolizing a remarkable transformation about to unfold. As the narrator begins, before automobiles changed the world, one car changed the automobile. The story begins with Henry Ford, a visionary who dared to dream of a reliable and affordable automobile for ordinary families. His ambition ignited a revolution in transportation. In 1913, Ford introduced the moving assembly line at the Highland Park factory, drastically changing the production landscape. As we see workers assembling cars by hand, the visionary ethos of Ford becomes clear: to create a car that everyone could own. The Model T was more than just a car. It represented the birth of mass automobile ownership. From 1908 to 1927, over 15 million Model Ts rolled off the assembly line. This revolutionary production method reduced the time and cost of assembling a car, making it accessible to the average American. With prices plunging, the dream of owning a car became a reality, fetching an astonishing price of just $260 in the early years. The impact was immediate and profound on everyday life, transforming not just how Americans traveled, but reshaping the entire cultural landscape. As cities grew, so too did the roads that connected them. The Model T enabled families to venture beyond the confines of their small towns, embarking on road trips that created memories to last a lifetime. Imagine families packing picnic baskets, setting out for the open road, exploring the vastness of America for the first time. The car redefined freedom, offering a sense of adventure previously unknown. The influence of the Model T extended to commerce as well. Farmers, once limited by location, could now transport their goods to markets with unprecedented ease. Small-town America thrived as this new mode of transport created economic prosperity, allowing local businesses to flourish as the demand for automobiles soared. In this newly interconnected landscape, mail delivery took on a new urgency, with vehicles replacing horse-drawn carts, revolutionizing communication across the nation. The impact of the Model T reached beyond American borders. Soon, the Ford Model T became a global phenomenon, influencing automobile designs worldwide and thus inaugurating a new age in manufacturing. The car that once served rural families now accelerated urbanization and industrialization, paving the way for modern road networks and the automobile culture we know today. For almost 2 decades, from its introduction in 1908 to its last production in 1927, the Ford Model T became renowned as the car that put the world on wheels. It was more than just a vehicle. It was a catalyst for societal change. The automobile influenced everything from city planning to the very culture of work and leisure. But why did the Model T resonate so deeply? It encapsulated the American spirit of innovation and accessibility. Perhaps more importantly, it illuminated the potential of mass production methods, encouraging future industries to refine the art of manufacturing. Its legacy still informs the principles of automotive production today. As we transition into the present, we are reminded of the timeless values that the Model T embodied: affordability and innovation. Imagine a modern electric version of the Ford Model T, a car that respects its historical roots while embracing cutting-edge technology. A vehicle that could once again change the landscape of mobility, maintaining that same commitment to putting the ordinary family behind the wheel. In closing, as we reflect on how far we've come since those first engines roared to life, we also recognize the ongoing journey of the automobile. It has evolved, adapting to the needs of society, whilst forever rooted in the legacy of the Model T. Next time on Motor Origins, discover how the Volkswagen Golf became one of the world's best-selling automobiles.